How am I 20? Oh my god. He came to wish me happy birthday, didn't he? Nope, psych. It's my birthday. I woke up at like 8 and I was editing another video that I need to upload. I don't even know if this is gonna make it, but we'll see. We're gonna go out for breakfast. Birthday breakfast! She's famous. Me? You were just recognized. Oh, well, yeah, I put my camera down and then the waitress came by and she was like, oh, are you a vlogger? Do you have a YouTube channel? That was funny. Can I help you? It's funny seeing your fingers tap. Thank you. What did you think of breakfast? It was good. We had a lot of leftovers, so that was good. We can, yeah, lots of potatoes, man. I'm back from breakfast and now I'm just gonna clean because today is just like any other day. I just finished cleaning and my friend messaged me to hang out, so I have to get ready for that. But yeah, my head kind of hurts. I like to tuck in my pants, not my pants, I like to tuck in my shirt because it's long, so I like to tuck it into my shirt, and I mean into my shorts. And Jen, you having a stroke? Okay. I like to tuck my shirt into my shorts because they're long. Hold on. Yes. Okay, do we have sausage?
No, we don't have sausage.
He's gonna go buy, he said. Okay. Okay, as I was saying, I like to tuck my shirt into my shorts because they're long, right? And Jen keeps making fun of me, and I kept wondering why she was making fun of me, and this is why. I'm not Steve Urkel, Jennifer. Okay, so I showered. As you can see, my hair is wet and my friend is coming soon. And then I think we're just gonna go get coffee. At least my hair's not sticking up anymore. I love that I may be 20, but I'm still going to a park. What is that sound? What kind of bird is that? Anyways, I'm back from hanging out with my friend. I didn't vlog it because we haven't talked in like a very long time. So I wanted to catch up with her. And now I'm making dinner with my dad. What is this?
Charcoal.
And what is that?
This is brisket.
Oh. Light it up. If I blow on it, will it do anything?
No.
Oh, where's the fan?
The pink cover.
A pink cover. Okay, he needs a pink fan for the barbecue. He's gonna kill me because I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, that's sunflower seeds. All right, so I was right. That's what he wanted. See, I'm kind of cold now, but I want to stay until this food finishes because I want to vlog the process of it. So I'm probably just gonna suck it up. This is gonna taste good. Ooh, okay. Yo! We just finished dinner and my parents are being really secretive with my sister. I swear there's a birthday cake, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm looking back at this clip and I realized that it doesn't make sense without me explaining it. So, we finished eating dinner and my sister and my dad were talking. They were being really secretive. I couldn't hear what they were saying, but I figured out that my dad had bought a birthday cake for me. So my mom told me to go look for a bottle of Jameson. We couldn't find it earlier, but she was like, just go look in the cabinet in the other room. So I was walking towards the cabinet in the other room, and then she told me to go check the basement. And then my dad said, let's go watch TV. And then he changed his mind and said, okay, let's go check the cabinet. So we took a few minutes to look for the Jameson and we couldn't find it. We were looking and looking, and then it was behind this box. So when we found it, my dad yelled, we found it, we found it. And we walked out of the room, and then on the kitchen table, there was the cake. And my family started singing happy birthday, and it was really cute. And I really liked it. It was really fun. And the cake was a banana, caramel, and toffee kind of cake. It was really good. And what was really funny about the story is that my dad had bought the cake and didn't tell anyone. So when he was trying to like execute the plan, it didn't really go as planned, and the surprise wasn't as surprising because he didn't tell anyone, so no one knew until like literally right after dinner.
Now you're gonna set off the fire alarm.
No, I'm not.
Should I film like this?
No! Are you kidding me?
Well, how am I supposed to get you?
Stand on the table. You can just get my hand cutting it.
Die,
That
die,
nice
die.
Hand. Okay.
Isn't YouTube gonna flag you for having a knife now in your video? Are you gonna cut this side?
Yeah. Okay. This much?
It's your slice.
Okay, then this much. I'll do this much.
I don't want that
We
macaroni.
want a knife together, a spoon.
No, I can use the finger.
Where's some fork?
Oh, that looks so nice. Why?
Hold on, it has to focus. Wait, let me get the inside. Okay, hold on. This is this when it focuses, and then that's the inside. It's pretty dark. Cannot see. Earthquake.
Okay. Where'd you get it?
Oh.
Oh.
Good cake.
It's good cake.
Give him some.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Thank
The best
you.
years are yet to come, okay?
Yeah.
Love you, Jen.
Okay, so I'm currently on hold with the bookstore because I plan on buying 2 books and earning the birthday points. I have been looking, okay, so I've been looking for these 2 books for a very long time now, and I saw them online and I didn't really want to order them online because I'd rather just have it right away. So I called and they have it in stock. I'm gonna go to the bookstore now because I want to pick up the books. So I'd called and then she put it on hold for me. So I'm gonna go pick it up, and there are 2 books I'm gonna get that I'm really excited for. I'm going to show them to you guys when I get back. I'm really excited. Look at it, we're so close. Thank you. I'm very happy, yes. I got my 2 books and I'm really excited. I have been searching for a few days now. Actually, that's a lie. I've been searching for a couple months, but none of the stores that I had gone to had what I was looking for. So I was really happy to find that they were at this location, and I got to get my birthday rewards too when I went. So I got Harvard Square by Andre Aciman. I had read Call Me By Your Name by Andre Aciman, and I watched the film as well, and I loved both of them. They were just amazing. I read the synopsis for this book and I thought that it was really interesting, so I'm really excited to dive right in and read it. And it feels really good. In the video where I talked about Call Me By Your Name, I talked about how I really like the texture of the book, and I don't know what factory he makes his books in, but the covers and the texture of the book I really enjoy. I like it. And then the other book I got was Tweak by Nick Sheff. and there's a film that's based on this book, and it's called Beautiful Boy, and it has Steve Carell, Timothée Chalamet, and a few other really amazing actresses and actors. And the reason I bought this book was because after watching that film, I was really inspired by Nick Schuff, who, the film is his story. It talks about him in his younger years and growing up with being a drug addict. So I thought that this was really interesting. I'm probably not doing this any justice by explaining this right now, but I'm really excited to read the book because I want to learn more and I want to find out more about Nick Schuff, and I thought that it was a really interesting story and it intrigued me. So I'm really excited to read these books. I will update you guys when I read them or how far along I am. If you'd like, let me know. I'm really excited to read these. I'm super excited. So this was like my birthday treat for myself, I guess you could say. I also got another gift, but I'm not going to reveal that now because that's going to be revealed in a later date. Just because it's a part of something that I'm working on with another video. That's all I'm going to say. I don't want to give it away. I'm just like really excited. I love that, like, I feel like people around me, when it's their birthday, they go out and party and stuff, and then there's me buying books and reading and getting joy out of like gathering points. Oh, and if you don't know, I think this point system is only in Canada, or I'm not too sure, I could be wrong, but with Chapters and Indigo and Kohl's, they have this point system called Plum Rewards, and basically when you buy books, each dollar represents a certain amount of points. So if I buy like a book and it costs X amount of dollars, I'll get Y amount of points. That probably made no sense, but yeah, so I like collecting the points because the more points you get, the closer you are to getting a fee off of your next purchase. So I really like it. I'm trying to read more because I really like reading, and when I was younger I used to read a lot.
That's how you do it. That's how to do it.
Okay, so I just finished watching the game and the Raptors lost, unfortunately, but Drake, Obama, and Shawn Mendes were at the game, so I was very happy about that. Even though the Raptors lost. All in all, it was a good day, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you later.